Login failed on Simpliciteens Fix. You open the Simpliciteens app or website to check your KYC or investment bans, but instead you see login failed. Annoying, right? But here's the thing, most login issues on Simplicity are easy to solve once you know where to look. Let's go through the fix step by step. First, confirm that your login details are correct. Simplicity uses your registered email and password combination, and both fields are case sensitive. Double check for typos or spaces, especially if you're using autofill or a password manager. If your password was recently changed, make sure your saved credentials aren't outdated. If it still doesn't work, hit Forgot Password and follow the link sent to your email. Simplicity will send you a secure reset link. Just make sure to check your spam or promotions folder if it doesn't appear within a few minutes. Next, let's talk about connection issues. If you're on public Wi-Fi or using a Wi-Fi VPN, Simplicity's login system may flag it as suspicious. Switch to a private network, like your home connection or mobile data, and try again. Browser users, here's something most people get wrong. Cached data can sometimes block new sessions. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then open Simplicity's official website directly, not from a bookmark or shortcut. If you're using the mobile app, check if there's an update available. Running an older version can cause login problems, especially after system updates. Head to your app store, update Simpliciteens, and restart your device. On rare occasions, the Simplicity platform may be undergoing maintenance or security upgrades. During that time, login attempts may fail temporarily, so waiting 10 minutes before trying again can solve it. The surprising truth is that login errors are rarely serious. With a few quick checks, updating the app, resetting your password, or clearing your cache, you can solve most issues in minutes. Once you're back in, you can keep focusing on what really matters, growing your KYC and investments with Simpliciteens.